Welcome to the English Quiz channel. In today's video, we have 4 conversations for you. Each one comes with 4 questions. Check the end for a summary and detailed explanations, or skip ahead using the timestamps in the description. Conversation 1.
Hello, I'm looking for a laptop for my university.
Hello. Sure, I can help you with that.
I need something fast and not too heavy.
Okay, this model is very popular with students.
Can you tell me about it?
It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabytes SSD.
Is it good for online classes?
Yes, it works very well for video calls and homework.
How long does the battery last?
About 8 to 10 hours.
That sounds good.
It is also very light, only 1.3 kilograms.
Great! I carry my laptop every day.
Do you need it for gaming or just study?
Just study and some light work.
Then this one is perfect for you.
How much is it?
It costs $700 today.
Okay, I will think about it.
1. What is the main topic? A. Laptop specifications. B. A broken computer. C. A new phone. D. A university class. 2. What does the man need? A. A new bag. B. A fast and light laptop. C. A wireless mouse. D. A desk. 3. How long is the battery life? A. 5 hours. B. 6 hours. C. 8 hours. D. 12 hours. 4. What will the man do next? A. Buy it immediately. B. Think about it. C. Leave the store forever. D. Buy a phone. Conversation 2.
Hi, I came back to ask more about the laptop.
Welcome back. Are you interested in the same model?
Yes, but I think the price is still a bit high.
It's already discounted from the original price.
I understand, but do you have any better offer?
Let me check. I can give you a small discount.
That would be great. How much can you reduce?
I can reduce it to $670.
That's better, but still a bit expensive for me.
I understand. Maybe I can include a free mouse.
That's helpful. Do you have a laptop bag too?
The bag is not free, but I can give you a discount on it.
How much is the bag?
It's normally $30, but I can give it for $20.
Okay, that sounds fair.
So the total will be $690 with the bag.
Let me think for a moment.
Sure, take your time.
I might check one more store before deciding.
No problem, I'll be here if you come back.
1. What is the main topic? A. Fixing a laptop. B. Price negotiation. C. Homework. D. Buying a phone. 2. How much is the laptop after the discount? A. $650. B. $670. C. $600. D. $700. 3. What free item does the man get? A. Bag. B. Mouse. C. Keyboard. D. Charger. 4. What will the man do? A. Buy now. B. Leave and compare. C. Pay more. D. Cancel everything. Conversation 3.
Hi again. I visited another store, but I think your offer is better.
I'm glad to hear that. Did you compare similar models?
Yes, but their laptops were heavier and had shorter battery life.
That makes sense. This model is designed for portability.
I also like the performance. It should be enough for my studies.
Absolutely. It can handle most academic tasks smoothly.
Can we confirm the final price again?
Yes, $670 for the laptop and $20 for the bag.
And the mouse is included for free, right?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, I think that's a reasonable deal.
Would you like to proceed with the purchase?
Yes, I've made my decision.
Great! How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by credit card.
No problem. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Your payment has been approved.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day and enjoy your new laptop.
1. Why did the man return? A. He found a cheaper store. B. He prefers this offer. C. He wants a refund. D. He forgot something. 2. What influenced his decision? A. Color only. B. Performance and battery. C. Store location. D. Friend advice. 3. What is the total price? A. 670. B. 690. C. 700. D. 720. 4. How does the man pay? A. Cash. B. Credit card. C. Transfer. D. Online. Conversation 4.
Excuse me, could I ask you some questions about the warranty?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you. What would you like to know?
First, how long is the warranty period?
The standard warranty is 1 year from the purchase date.
Does it cover all types of damage?
It covers manufacturing defects, but not accidental damage.
I see. What if I accidentally drop it?
In that case, it wouldn't be covered under the standard warranty.
Is there any way to extend the warranty?
Yes, you can purchase an extended warranty plan.
How long can I extend it for?
You can extend it up to 3 years in total.
Does the extended warranty include accidental damage?
Yes, the premium plan does include accidental damage protection.
That sounds useful. How much does it cost?
It costs $100 for 2 extra years.
That's a bit expensive, but it might be worth it.
Many customers choose it for peace of mind.
All right, I think I'll take the extended warranty.
Great choice. I'll add it to your purchase.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
1. What is the main topic of the conversation? A. Buying a laptop. B. Warranty information. C. Repair service. D. Returning a product. 2. What does the standard warranty cover? A. Accidental damage. B. Manufacturing defects. C. All damages. D. Battery replacement only. 3. What additional benefit does the extended warranty provide? A. Faster delivery. B. Free accessories. C. Accidental damage protection. D. Lower price. 4. What does the man decide to do? A. Reject the warranty. B. Return the laptop. C. Buy extended warranty. D. Wait and decide later. Here is the answer summary for all conversations. 1. What is the main topic? Answer. A. Because the man is asking about the laptop details and specifications. 2. What does the man need? Answer. B. Because the man says he needs something fast and not too heavy. 3. How long is the battery life? Answer. C. Because the woman says the battery lasts about 8 to 10 hours. 4. What will the man do next? Answer. B. Because the man says he will think about it before buying. 1. What is the main topic? Answer. B. Because the man is asking for a better offer and trying to negotiate the price. 2. How much is the laptop after the discount? Answer. B. Because the woman clearly says she can reduce the price to $670. 3. What free item does the man get? Answer. B. Because the woman offers to include a free mouse. 4. What will the man do? Answer. B. Because the man says he will check another store before making a decision. 1. Why did the man return? Answer. B. Because the man says the offer in this store is better than others. 2. What influenced his decision? Answer. B. Because he compares performance and battery life with another store. 3. What is the total price? Answer. B. Because the total is $670 for the laptop plus $20 for the bag. 4. How does the man pay? Answer. B. Because the man clearly says he will pay by credit card. 1. What is the main topic of the conversation? Answer. B. Because the man is asking about warranty details and coverage. 2. What does the standard warranty cover? Answer. B. Because the woman says it covers manufacturing defects only. 3. What additional benefit does the extended warranty provide? Answer. C. Because the premium plan includes accidental damage protection. 4. What does the man decide to do? Answer. C. Because the man decides to purchase the extended warranty.